In this video, I will show you how to earn one win coins. This is very easy. I can subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I'll advise you to create a professional one win account. To do that, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you're going to fill in your details, choose your currency, your phone number, your email address, and your password. Now, when you come to promo codes, you're going to use the promo code Renzo7. If you use the promo code Renzo7, one win is going to give you up to 500% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $500 as your bonus and you can use to bet. Now, let's continue. So you want to earn one win coins after logging into your account. What you can do is to come over here and click on free money. As you click on free money, there are various ways to earn. So for instance, click on one win coins. You're going to see various, you see, these are coins that you can earn by completing this task. For instance, if you click on bonus 200 one win coins for Telegram subscription, if you click on that and verify your account, join that Telegram group, you're going to receive 200 coins, and that's one way to earn the coins. There are other ways to play this daily to win coins and can check various ways to win their coins, and that's how to earn one win coins.